Welcome to the new Beta Profitability Dashboard. This dashboard is meant to display business-critical metrics from your accounting solution and sales channels all in one place so you can easily spot areas of opportunity. You can change the display with filters for the sales channel and time frame. There's a chart of cash flow, average order value, P&L, expense breakdown percentages, order breakdown percentages, and your 10 most recent transactions, which you can click to drill into order level profitability right from the dashboard. If you're in a time frame where the historical data is missing, you can click to request that here. This will start an email conversation with our team to discuss your options. If you have expense connections missing, you'll see an alert notifying you about the issue. But don't worry, you can ignore the alert to make it go away if you want to. If you have any questions, you can click Learn More to read through the support article. And that's the new Profitability Dashboard at a glance. To access this feature, simply log into Webgility Online and select Dashboard. Check it out and let us know what you think by submitting your feedback in the in-app chat. Happy selling!